What do you need to know to become a software developer? JavaScript, Python, maybe C#? Tons of programming languages, tools, frameworks, and no one teaches you how to actually learn programming. So how should you learn programming from zero? First and most important in my opinion is to learn how to use an operating system. You should understand what a package manager is, what environment variables are, and how to use a terminal, because I don't know a developer who has never touched Linux. And trust me, it's good to have basic ideas so you can at least quit Vim. The next important thing is to decide what you want to develop. Web applications like Facebook or YouTube, maybe a mobile app like TikTok, or maybe even a game like Elden Ring. You should really decide which one you want and then find a roadmap exactly for your path, like a backend developer roadmap, game developer roadmap, or any other one depending on your choice. You don't have to check every single option in that roadmap, it will just help you to define a basic path. And don't try jumping into complex stuff from the start. No libraries, no frameworks, no projects, just lots of learning. Focus on one programming language and learn it until you're comfortable using it. You should basically know it like your native language. So don't save money or time on a course for it. This will give you the most important thing, the programming basics. When you feel like you're at least intermediate in your selected language, you should focus a bit on algorithms and data structures because they're used everywhere. I mean, nowadays you have to know what a stack is even to be a cashier at Lidl. It's really up to you, you could read a book or watch a course, but it's mandatory to hit LeetCode and learn some basic problem solving skills so your brain won't collapse when asked the difference between an array and a list. Aside from that, it'll help you learn how to use the debugger, because when your solution doesn't work and you have no idea why, your only savior is a debugger, which will show you exactly why it doesn't work. And don't neglect Git and GitHub. I know it's hard, I know no one wants to learn it, but you should stick to it as soon as you begin building projects, because not only will it save you tons of time by helping you avoid blowing up your project, but it will also help you build a strong GitHub profile, which may help you in the future if you're planning to land a job in tech. Did someone mention projects? Yeah, I would build lots of projects if I were to start right now. They don't have to be complex, it can be a simple console calculator, but if you develop the habit of building projects, you'll learn to code independently and not get stuck in the code tutorial that many developers are in, and trust me, is a pretty major problem in the tech field. Aside from that, it'll help you learn new tools like databases, libraries and frameworks, because eventually you'll want to build maybe an app with a user interface, so you'll learn a library that helps you do that. Then you'll want to build something more complex and you'll stumble upon a framework which will do exactly that. It will also make you learn about servers, clients, JSON APIs and other stuff that you need to build projects and understand how everything in this world actually works. I would also learn about testing. Tests are probably the most important thing in your projects because it's the only thing that helps you make sure that your app works as expected. You see, if you develop a new feature and modify half of the project, how the hell would you know that it still works? Well, you would just run the tests and see if they pass. So don't even think about skipping that part. Last but not least, I would focus on consistency. Being a developer is not only about learning, it is also about consistency. It doesn't have to be hours a day, it can be only 15 minutes. The most important thing is at least doing something. Because you may learn something new today, but if you take a break for a month after that, I'm pretty certain that you'll forget everything. So only after having this strong foundation would I continue with more complex stuff like Docker, CI/CD using GitHub Actions, Kafka and others. And don't forget, you don't have to know 40 tools to be a developer. Only one programming language, a database, framework, Git, and that's pretty much it.